This is a clarion call for all of you hotties over 50. I know you tired. You done worked your whole life. I know you tired of eating at them nasty potlucks, sitting mingling with people you don't like, trying to get along with your boss knowing you don't like her. I know you tired thinking about retirement, wondering how you gonna make it, how you gonna survive. We have traditionally been taught to go to a job. It's a new era now, and it's called YouTube. Have y'all not seen all of these people on YouTube over 50 giving life advice? I had to pull my car over because God wants me to tell you the world needs you.
Okay. If you don't know, her name is DoorDash, and she's just motivating you to start a YouTube channel. And definitely, if you over 50, we definitely need your wisdom. We need to know. Give us some wisdom. Give us some wisdom. Like, there's a lot of us, like, between the age of 20, 30, even 40. Anybody under you might be able to benefit from your life experiences. So why not spread that energy with the world? And you can do that with a YouTube channel. And what she was saying is that we're in a new age. So by spreading your wisdom, you could also monetize it with YouTube. You see what I'm saying? And the good thing is, with a YouTube channel, the more you share, the more you can make. And the good thing is, your videos will be evergreen, meaning you could put out a video today, or you could put out a video tomorrow, and 5 years, 7 years from today, that video is still generating views. You're still touching people with that video. And not only that, you're still making money from that video. I have a story I actually told in my last video. There's a video I uploaded. I don't have the exact date, but I know it was 2013 or 2014. Me and my friends uploaded that video. It's been 10 plus years and that video's still getting views. So the point is, just start a YouTube channel. If you over 50, tell us about your life. Or maybe you don't want to tell us about your life. You want to teach us something else. You want to teach us how to do you get the point. Just whatever you have, just put it out there. The world is waiting for it.
If I was there, the world needs your advice. They need your wisdom. You don't hold it in. Why do we want to hold in what we really know? You may think nobody's going to listen. They may not listen if you send them down. They may, why you telling me this? You always telling me this. Okay, forget them. You can't talk to them. But guess what? There are people on YouTube. Your audience is on YouTube and they will listen. I know you have seen those people. There's one guy who he looks like he's straight out the country. He has like a cigar in his hand and a hat, and he's sitting on his rocking chair talking to the people, telling them life advice, and he gets millions of views. The world needs your knowledge. Let me calm down. Maybe I'm too expressive, but the world needs what you have to say. And if nobody's going to listen to you...
Oh yeah, she's very expressive, but that's what her audience like, and that's the reason why she's getting a lot of views at the moment. That's the reason why she built a nice audience, because people like her vibe, her energy, how authentic she is, and she just press record and just start recording. She don't care about the camera. The point is, you can do the same thing. If you over 50, I would advise you to just create a YouTube channel, or have your grandkids, a friend, or somebody create a YouTube channel for you, and just begin. You never know. I might subscribe to your channel. You never know. You never know. Let's get back to the video.
That you talk to and you see every day, then there are people on YouTube who need your wisdom. They need your advice. They need what you can give to the world. Times are hard. You're not going to be able to survive off that retirement. And if you are, kudos to you. But I just saw a man who's 65 who retired, and he said he's going to have to go back to work because he can't afford, it's too expensive. You can make money off of YouTube. You can make real good money.
Not too long ago, about like 2 or 3 years ago, I met this guy in Doro. That's Doral. I'm actually in Miami right now, but south of Miami, about like 40 minutes from Miami, Doral, right? So he was telling me that I think he was getting about like 1,200 retirement check every month. I didn't ask him from what. That's what he was telling me, 1,200 a month. And he's like, think about it. Rent is about 15 to 1,700. Plus, I gotta eat. Plus, if I want to go like on vacation, I gotta take the wife, this and this and that. And plus, he's like, it's not enough. So I have to get a job, but I gotta get paid under the table, so it doesn't. You get it, under the table, so the government doesn't know what's going on, basically. But if it's 1,200 a month, I'm in Miami. Things are expensive. That is not enough. So yeah, once he told me that, I'm like, if this guy is like way over 50, and I don't want to struggle with that when I'm 70, 80, I don't want to think about work. I just want to be free. But if he's stressing at that age, I was like, But anyway, yeah.
If I'm making close to $2,500 and it's only been 3 weeks, I know you can make more. I used to be scared to get older. I'm 42 years old. The wisdom and the knowledge that I got right now is crazy. The videos I post, I'm listening and I'm like, that ain't me. That's God. I don't know who that is talking. It's wisdom. It's wisdom, and people need it, and they will listen to you. Young people will listen to you. Tell the world what you know. You think, oh, they already know it. Let them learn for themselves. Baby, no, they need you. They need you. Over 50, start a YouTube. Get on there. Just talk about what you know. There's a lady right now who said it's a video called Let Them. And she's basically saying, let them. If they want to treat you, let them. If they want to talk about you, let them. If they want to leave you, let them. She literally has over 2 million views on that video. That check is, I know, at least 4,000-5,000. And all you doing is giving your life advice, helping people. That's it. You don't need a fancy camera. You don't need a fancy phone. I got an iPhone XS I'm recording on right now. Instead of sitting around talking to the same people about the same stuff, talk to some new people who need it. You at you with your friends, y'all keep talking about these young kids. Get on YouTube, talk about them. They're gonna listen. Tell them what you got to say. God wants me.
Okay, what she was talking about is Mel Robbins. She's basically saying if somebody talking crazy about you or bringing the long story short, I'm not gonna even go too deep into that. I think whatever we do in life, there will always be people that's against it. But if you putting out positive energy, the right people will receive it. So I'm saying that to say, if the fear is I'm not going to start doing that, or I'm not starting a YouTube channel because I don't want people to talk bad about me or leave negative comments, there's a possibility. But there's a bigger picture. The bigger picture is you want the message to go out, and trust me, if you put the message out, the right people will receive it. Forget about the haters, forget about the negative comments. Trust me. And there's always more positivity than negativity. Think about it that way. So don't be scared. Just do what you got to do.
Me to tell you, they need you. That people need you. They need your wisdom. They need to know what you know. They need to know how you think. They need to know what you feel. They need to know. I don't care what it is. It's to the point now you can even curse on YouTube. So if you got to curse, say what you got to say. Okay? People need it. They need it. This world is falling apart. This world is falling to pieces. And if you care, you would do something about it. If you find yourself again talking about something with the same people, stop and think, you know what? I need to go on YouTube and talk about this. And watch your videos blow up because people are yearning. They're craving inspiration. They're craving somebody to tell them the truth. They're craving reality, not reality TV. They're craving somebody who knows the real that can help them. If you tired of that job, you tired of going to work, you scared that you're not going to have enough income, start a YouTube. I'm telling y'all right now, this is the time to share your knowledge on YouTube. 3 people show up, fine, keep it going. 300 people show up, even better. And you ain't got to.
I think we all need some type of passive income. We all need something that we can create once and make money off of it for a long time. Because that active work, it's not cutting it in the world we living in now. Like, you go to work, you get a paycheck, or you do something once, you get paid for it, and you have to go get some rest so you could do it again to make more money. I don't think it's cutting it as much unless you're really getting paid. Even then, it's still not enough. But if you can create something, or let's say, since we're talking about YouTube, like let's say you press record, you put out a video, but that video have the potential to live on the platform for years to come. And not only that, but generate some type of income for years to come. Imagine if you have 1,000 of those, 2,000 of those, 500 of those. And I seen channels with like 20,000 videos. That's a lot of videos. But think about it. If each one of these videos are making $1 a day passively, you do the math. You do the math.
Have no crazy thumbnails. You don't have to have all this crazy action. All you need is your voice and your face and your knowledge and your wisdom. Period. That's it. Thumbnail, all you gotta do is show your face. That's it. Ain't gotta be nothing fancy. I'm telling you what I know. I am aging, and I used to be like, oh man, what I'm gonna do? I'm aging. No. Get on YouTube, tell the people what you know, share your knowledge. If you're not over 50, still do it. If you know something and you want to, this is the time. This is the time. This is the time. This is the inspiration era. This is the motivation era right now. Gone are the times when people need to be entertained. People need to be, they need knowledge. They need wisdom. They need to know, okay, if I keep doing this, what's going to happen to me? People are yearning. They're hurting. The times right now are crazy. And if you care 2 ounces of a care, start a YouTube. Get on. Just talk. And let YouTube pick the thumbnail for you and just put it on there. There's one girl who went viral who talked about how powerful YouTube was and you should start it. And she didn't keep going. That video got over 200,000 views and she just went back to posting stuff that nobody really just needed. People need knowledge. They need your wisdom. When you see something working, you keep going at it. When you see the algorithm attracted to something, that's not the algorithm, that's God. That's God.
Don't change what works. If it's working for a reason. If you put out 10 videos, but one of them take off, continue doing that same style of video, same topic or whatever, and then you could expand later on. And yeah, don't change what's already working. If it's not broken, don't fix it. See what I'm saying? There's no reason, if you're talking about finance, it's working and you start talking about water the next video, unless you kind of make it related. But if it's not, just focus on that for a few, and then you could touch base on other things later on down the line.
Turning on because he knows that the world needs it. Keep doing what the algorithm wants from you, because that's what God is trying to get. That's what God wants. That's what, and YouTube is the best place to be. I'm telling y'all. These other platforms, I know. That's for beauty and makeup. And I ain't got time for beauty and makeup. I'm trying to help people. I used to want to be in the beauty, makeup, and lifestyle. I'm trying to help folks because that is what's going on right now. We need these children to grow up and know something. If you care, this is the time. Get on YouTube. Instagram ain't worried about that. They might be, but they ain't. TikTok, you know what? That could be a good platform for you to get on. But I'm telling you what I know. Get on YouTube over 50 and
Yes, TikTok do have a fan base. Yes, there's a lot of people on TikTok. But you're trying to kill two birds with one stone. You're trying to make a lot of money sharing what you know, sharing your knowledge, sharing your wisdom. That's, yeah, you're trying to kill two birds with one stone. TikTok, you can get a lot of views, but it doesn't translate to a lot of cash. You do get a little something, but it not compared to YouTube. Or YouTube can be the main source, and then you distribute your short videos or other videos to other platforms. That's still fine, but I wouldn't advise for you to just focus, oh, let me just do TikTok video and you could share your wisdom, share your knowledge, but the money is, you can't compare it to YouTube because YouTube pays more. And YouTube is more stable because look what just happened to TikTok not too long ago. They almost got banned. You don't want that. You don't want to get 100,000 followers, 50,000 followers, 1,000,000 followers on the platform, and you already got 2,000 videos, 200, 150 videos on the platform, and then you don't know if the government gonna ban it or not. You don't know if it's YouTube been there for a long time and there's no issue. Why not make the main hub YouTube and everything else could be distributed too? I hope I'm making sense.
and tell the people what you know. Talk about it and keep on posting and keep being consistent. Okay? And don't worry about the people telling you, oh, you shouldn't say that. You shouldn't show that. Somebody just said you shouldn't show how much you make. Baby, it ain't about me. It ain't about me. Okay? It ain't about me. I'm not afraid of that. I'm not afraid of that. It ain't about me. I'm not afraid of what you gonna do to me. Because we not here forever anyway. Okay? I'm not here for me. I show y'all my numbers because it inspires you. It ain't about me. And once you realize it's not about you, your life will change. Your circumstances will change once you realize it's not about you.
That was dope. My bad. My stuff was on mute. Quick overview about what she just said. Anyways, yeah, quick overview. When it comes up to YouTube, you can get paid multiple ways. YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, selling your digital product or your physical product, selling your services, sponsorship, and what else? Yeah, let's focus on those for now, right? And if, I think I said YouTube AdSense. Of course, that's the first one. So it's once you start getting the attention, don't only focus on one way to make revenue. You could make revenue multiple different ways. And she just said something. It's not about you. It's about sharing things with others, giving your knowledge away, giving your wisdom away. You see what I'm saying? Because we all, trust me, you could put out a video and there's one thing that you say, it could change 1,000 people's life. Or there's one thing that you teach, it could make 50 to 100 people more wise. So just start. Just start. Thank you for watching. Any questions, anything you want to say, leave it in the comment. And once again, this was DoorDash, super dope lady. And I'll see you in the next vid.